Twaso na nkofu bi nim say won sanchani nyankopon. They don't know what they don't know. They don't know what they don't know. Psalm 91 verse 14. Was it because you love me, I will protect you. I will save you because you know my name. And into one hour, you more rather than kill. If you know my book, if you are Jojo. Yes. Over to the near to us and there be no possible to me. We have Jesus Christ. Come on. She ain't one limit to him. He's in control, I'm telling you.
killing it. And how about this girl? She's got skills.
Stop this. Stop. Shane, I'm not fortunate that them. What is wrong with you? When you miss you, I bet you what. There was anybody who was China. But they know their God. Yes. Hey, when I'm not too bad. Hey, I'm not too bad. Why you can see us here, Digina, or the 4 minutes now? Hey, Mr. Wood, you come for an answer, Brady. Oh, my God, what is your love? Small one is that. Hey, thank you, Jesus. Why you can see the little back? Why you can see it, where you can see it. Jesus Christ. What to me, hey, enough about to me. Hey, now be said to Sabia. I'm up for me to prove it for Tiago. But you know, go point here. For Poana was so no Sabanshia. And what's the sense that we live with the intimate? Why am I a female? To me before I see that you Mambo Pano Busha Supentina Mammy said, sorry, you know what we are young kind. Missing them in a cabiatro. Yes, the woman chichi, so feels you still have a catch of the dental and Yinachini. Abranca Colo, Cabana coming up, me permoa. But Yamian do to Yesu Christo winning tea. Nip donin tea what he done in Sunday for winning the mouth. When in the Moa Italy, when in the Moa China, when in the Moa America. When in the Moa Rabia, landing when in the Moa. Yeah, Australia when in the Moa. Come on, come on. Mama Nino, who is coronavirus? Yeah, you put your name in the crowd to me. Sure, you know what I mean, W. Oh, Sister Jack. Yes. Watch the front seat over here. Yes. Ah. Yes. kese se ne den so o me ambihiem se yefunu bakomuma erade me da wase wakonya so nko ode ama me se me metena se na o mankasa erade me ni asem ona wasem be fa makoma madwene me kechema me nikosua maso nyina no mu be kasa fa me mu ekire wo ma ene dey se de oye ni de bia no oye ne erade Yesu Kristo di bija akoma bia ehya wonsa ene dey se be kasa be wie na de anigi abowura wo makoma mu no mo wona ni da so ewo Yesu Kristo Nazareth ni de nti amen odo for me ma wakwaba ene me sorry fitin ra no pa etwa no ho abisi sabri enan komani so no mani so mmomedwe I wonder I don't know where I get this energy from. I know say you nyame and it provide me this kind of energy. Now the me who say nipa bebre abutu because of what is going on, the news and all that. Now me say obebi o Bible don't maka bibi kakra bia cho na ya to aso and the me share down go to Bible. The Bible no Psalm 91 verse number 14. Psalm 91 verse number 14 was in the say o fam me hu meje o say na say o fam me hu meje no mema me o say na say o fam me hu meje no mema ne so efri say onim medin o sufre me na o sufre me na meje no so meni no betena ahohiemu meyi no na o se meyi no na mahye no animonyam mema no edi enkwa tenene ame na mama no hu me nkwaje kan English no so timo hapa you me no be kasa kan English no so Psalm 91 verse 14 or say because you know because you love me I will rescue you. I will protect you because you know my name. When you call to me, I will answer you. I will be with you when you are in trouble. I will save you and honor you. I will satisfy you with a long life. I will show you how I will save you. What's in the radical? So what you say? Uni ma radi di oba bruche usure radi on fan sayade odi gu mizum for so megusu de bida ama min kan di si ye nchero yare ye hia ase se ne na ma asoya na jubi ma bompa ye wie manda de bia so me da me tree Bible no beba na me sua dia me di me tree ne me English because ye no sa no ye ya nheda nko school nti se ye kan English ne ni amfa we na mahwemu ankyerase a ebi wo hono ma ye beken kan be wi west ni bo ho ani ntiase me ma blan sanity nti me ken kan wi a west bi wo na me ntiase just me go back here nti de bia obeba na Bible na ye say na ehemu tree and English timi da ho no me hu se da ye mu na me Bible you say me nu say ebo menim say na into bibi highest into me omo black to say me duku yi be brave no mu gukuru ena me nam mu finfi na Bible no bo me mama so say de me kuta no say ya o ena me didi America na me nam me ni kosua no Bible na kata mani but the fastest up that I am going no is Bible no na actually me how to run faster. Because unse odi abia kata wanim say na utumirika say hu animo but the Bible was like this me say ya to say the mayani na entutu me odoso ese wakoba bi na bibie wu na enwanse na yefu bebre o ma otwahia na ese o ma ye bebre na hu anim no what I have in my hands was my Bible like this and I was running so fast e wo mu fifi menya if some catch us, that's how God is protecting us. Not some or the not some boy a home by. In Sayadi to Nam Yumuno, And yama ekosu uwimu no. God is protecting his people. Ayemenya and mama ya won say ya. Aye bocho. Nti say the word onyame asem ne be di wani mu a, you can escape. But the word of God is on natural coin. Say yao, e kula mi say na mdi dimrika say be brave. But none of them soon to me touching me. I was like, wow. Yasunyamia watiasyo. Yasunyamia watiasyo. Yasunyamia watiasyo. Yasunyamia watiasye. Misi mumo munyamidi. Ay. Na yasuye moye nyamidi. Yasunyamia watiasyo. Yasunyamia watiasya. Ah. Yasunyamia watiasyo. Yasunyamia watiasya. God is protecting his people. Don't fear nothing. Kawakuma to yam. Unyame. Oso bo na usuru no nsraban ehia. Spiritual realm no nyama ekoso wiemu no enye common. But God is protecting his people. So what you say? God is protecting. I am set to them. Wakache Israel for some from Mujansa or Mukayano. Unyame o protecte. Minada. Intina yama dibia me betna. Me say no unyame ntamunya kronkro. Sa woni papa ne ntamu ye gudua. Sister brother, wo ma me wu obi ma so sa wo. No way. Unyame ma wu nkrasifo wuda. No way. Emma so ubedu kwa me. He abonfu bitifie. Omo pai bu nyina ne se coronavirus ne bi nkan ne wu na ofie no omfa. Obi pai bu nyina so sorry o se yes America he. Na mo se edu ekum nipa se hotel na so so betese. Ne brother na wasi abusan wato. But woman we munni wo mo wrade no. Ah, brother sister, don't fear anything. And me ba se me be show ground because we shout to se nipa ni bia boto. Because we checking na djumum the enkoso a. Me say, o me san hu na to. Me na da. Ti me sorry na me say, "Ai, erade, nye me bompa ya me sra hu ye nyina mo bo." And no so me papa so the to so all night. What's the kind of for you in your wabruche when you're protected? Nasaya, even my and to my dying. Don't fear anything, no. When you meet shaky grounds, when you meet shaky grounds, or shaky grounds, or when you meet mouth, he knows his children. Monsieur be cow crowd will be yasa, umuda. You could see you through this. By mistake, never grandpa cow. Me nada. Monsieur Umuda. Put your trust in the Lord. And so she. For we ring in a shagadimu. You don't go for you. Eh? If you don't sorry no more, so Munyam and some of the Mumma Boffum. Nina say you see Munyam Coupon one, sorry. Nti every kwame nkroma person be si ne nti kodo o boda so de wo mumma bofom hwehwe nyame wo fom ye nyankopon no sori yo ni nansa so wo sori pie owu ni asama no ni so enti sana me ma no so owu ni asama no enti me ni so ya master ne di so kunim me se me se wow. Kwa unyame faso ya ne niema no enwo omo munnim nyame no omo na de omo panike o me panike so ibi ni mo bu funu nyakom ba ye ni ewurade no de sister brother don't fear anything and na nwenye ni yiti me be hu akontri mi and as say de be be adru di ayedi no meduma mo yes obi kura ko hwe obi omo so ya ayare o yini nyankopon ye free ye kuruma bada susu me urade e kuro bi so fo China fo yi omo ma kwan kram ye mo nyamidin last minya e decide bi no omo ka se China fo enipa bi wo underground e ho no mo bom pae e ho no mo kwa asore e ho no mo sum nyame omo de Buddhism ni abosomsom afa kuro no tu nyame shiki ground so. We are living in a dangerous time. You are able to be sorry and you be into me. You Jesus Christ. Don't let anybody so be better. To say the deform kwasia fuibi etete won mo kan kwasia sem say pesika any fame any ejapade na heaven be any ho oni America oni mo hwan heaven na yaka na won ho Bible so kwasia ne se na koma mu se nyame bi any ho kwasia ne se na koma mu se nyame ni ho na me die na me check in your mama wo na me check in my bank account na me check sika egum ene nkane na nkasase mo pa ma na kom na wonyame wonya praw sa wo ye bola on fa ho biem wo ye vomit nti wo pack nche wo mre be so edi asem wonyame ka che sika ni no wo so kwase ne wo beje wo kra firi wo nsam nti I wonder these people wonya sofo stop listening to them. Stop listening to them. They call themselves a defo. When we are armed robbers, when we are killers, Papa could see when the car was when we are killers. Close way in the woman, when we are zan, when we are killers. Still, then conforming that should do a much. Mr. Ready to win a mambo. Minada. Omudi nipa, almost send nipa kugujem. Last metiani and the Cassie, I go for the cocoa vacation. This is the neighborhood and go for any fear crime. Maybe a voice of Muntivida, the first car bagana, and Paum, way Namsaware. Whether you are coming for area had to check in a channel. Na we na dani news na nyame asem wo ho ni pre we nka mu nyankwa na media foi na dia no kokoto e kwan ye dada wan to jani no brand new ones no wo brem atum say yes so what you say na we betre TV so catch us say she should be fame hey Mr. Tornado ne ya ne sia mo ncheke. It will be process no your mouth before and after will be do obeka se baller. Be a bit chamo. What's the plan over pradina in you munuma? Any nipa, never be a wasasi so be pradin in a togu. Who say the padini fame? What did they say, Kobe Bryant? Now Africa, Ghana, and Kwan, you were here for the new war. Why in the war? Ghanaians and Kwan in the war. Obia did the whole world. One crowd can't fancy. Hey, we have to be wise. Nkofobi person much less say ye nyankopon no ni ho, but our God is alive. Me nada. Nti these people don't listen to them. Oso kwasia na se na kuma mu se nyame ni ho. Omo ye nkwasiafo, omo mu kasa sa no. They were stupid. They don't know what they were talking about. Who would you to me best? It's a nisika. Yani priya have you. Say heavy beer anyhow. I'm quite stupid. We shameful first class. Jimmy C. She never can scratch me. Me nada. Nanko for be doing so dinner to get cash. Send us some offer for you. Dan me for woman penjuma nsemu eti no mudie me se da nyame be sheki ground so wo ni pe bi dwane akotete wonya ba bi mfa nkogina baby nkojina o se pra no be pra di nyina ewi mu no ma na wo da su be bom he fa na edan be gina nipa pa baby nipa nko woni mu pa baby afa se dan wo jemu gigira efi suru wo ba edan no mercy o na yana mu musa from na wo mu mechetre no efi he wo te se balu ye juice wo be ye fu eno anu no wasensene na da wa da ne claim after mo akoto watch me musika yesi mutu manu musa ejuma be na mo ye mo kan tre mo juma ne sai ye be petri wo nyame asem no ye petri sika ne kas ne ye ka tre nkofu bia ye bre ye ho ye ejuma no mo so tachi no mo botugu wo betimi no nyame atwema so beje sika fu gu krum hanuma coronavirus am mo shekie wo ma yini mo the whole world na wo yini mo Ghana nko a so fem Ghana population here say me so obi ni mo Ghana wo nko a oh please mo bo bebre only Ghana they will do this obi the carrier back the whole world enim no mudi ni mu Ghana nko a na mutiti TV so eno metra say obeti cash yes odi for yes prophet kasa yes jiminti omum pagumenti ammobrafo killers no mutiti TV so no omu kekan di omu pe me se me papa go say we na kan wo se mo ye killers wo ye bema wo di bonidi wo hu ni ebesi nsanchani wo nyame ye woni mabrabo me se man so ma hwe na me hunu se Jesus oyodi mafu unyame kan ne ma ho enye komo enye ma tsaye ho hia no so wo topi be chachira wa nkanya sam ketwa but unyame bo wona wosuru no ho nsraban hia tanwe she be na wo Bible no se pesika pedin pefe na heavy bi ani ho na nkofo bi so di akire be wise we are living in a danger me say this time wo di nyame ho agura why na nya bro wo di nyame ho agura ti be bi a wo hye hodi Shahodi Missy Mecca nipa ni timi fum kaba no hesen kranle nipa coronavirus and obia skata wo be magina ho obia skata na mi busa me hosen nkan fu munya me wo he so what you say bore Italy ko yade omo nante koko club ni ehwade misu obi nku wa obi kefu be che wo ankasa oya misu o shiki ground so wo betu ma shut the whole world down quiet abin fun okuni ni crash shemu wo monti ase they don't know what is coming they were putting money down but still they cannot figure it out what is going on. So now White House Vice President to cross some kofon some year bomb bias and we say when yamio and I was see suffer no so would differ with Ghana and obi anymore. A whole America Vice President Trump couldn't win already when you say heavy war. Woman got their bomb bio. I buy the moon penny fushia. A bomb bias already with your bobo. The air by your saw. Now to Ghana se perform in a pedi. na kan cruise you cry from say ay on my channel o see who born dog who born dog ha this time so what won sanchani nya mitimi ya na wakakakra our God is still alive. What do you want sister o nipa na sister onyame won sister what is said you what tear go White House and we say hey unyame ko na wose yekọ nanim e dia boso na nko muntumi fra mama ni me kanchi hu ba bi ade na farba e dia na nko muntumi nye bibusa why do they choose to join hands and pray to God? Why do they do that? Because we will say yes when you inyankopon no ye pagane God of universe na nim ne na chi nyame bie ni ho woni ne ye de soro asase so asase ase to bi nyina ye de hye ne nsa woni ne woto bi o so shaky grounds and the woman powers nyina woman go down to cry and sing nyame Jesus Christ is our mrem na cruise to be so to no mo moke wo mo was say you know anana ye sana say ya o mbe ye kokwasa say ya agudie say ya nsem hunu say ya nkwase asem ka say ya nyame bia ni ho asasa na to wo mo mpafiri mu abra wo mo ni na wo mo so just like that no I wonder I have money, I got money, I check my bank account. Bra, who see I say? My obe standing for American president at the same way. Oh, my kokore friend say. Within a week, one sika wo digu ho keke. Within a week, sika wo pugu abonte a week. Who dey na chicken change? Who dey na come? Coronavirus in America. How many billion? Billion. And the government is not saying billion. Dollars oh, and your Ghana city. That mean Chicago Lakeshore or Abruzaya is what in Jatinti. You can say to move 3 floors so crowd we can to 3 floor 1 2 3. You can say to South can free Ghana better 1 2 3 Lakeshore unto people brag. In your bibi kakra ye brag. Ye say ye crampo ye nyame. These are the people who want to baby they want to show that they are God. Omu to me cross ye already. Enti nyame be din na mo bono de enti what this wade hu ni say di enti no bia sorry say have bia ni wa nkofo mu di wo chudo mo kwai obofo wo di wo mo kwai. I pity for those people. Onyame wo bo na osuru ne ho nsraba nhia wo kokoto so kasa nkwase asem na eni na chi ajejenchie okwasea no se na koma mu sai onyame bia ni ho. I wonder nipa da so ye blind they were still following these people. So sad. My sister brother nyame a wanya no nukuta ni mu yi close me kura me so for chair me mambra me kura me ni title me kura me so for chair. They were deceivers, so don't follow them. Osibre ni be kwa wiye default for be sorry mu hwe no bi anada wona munyantini mu beba mo nchen. Now you see his true colors. Said you will see Kassan will be okutenya medwene behu sampa akwa we bebi ogina nye. Obi okutenya medwene behu say yes akwa bebi ogina nye. I just said you ye Jim 40 say wono a. Yes. was in Kosia, or Kabam, was in Kosia, and sin is that Kuma would say, when a mini ho. Num try. I wonder. We are living in a dangerous time. What will be respected or be protected? Was the sense that we need me didn't mention? Miss, I really hope you. Psalm 91. Verse number 14. I'm making kind in Akura AC. A hot day. I'm just a cheat non quiet. Psalm 91. Some of me back a common one now was through radio. And yes, Sunday church goers. No one did this for 2 for cheap pence and no one come out. A common true Christians. You're joking. Yeah, Benny. For me challenge so we be one but Tom said the entire tones you on come cry o see it just some so soon in the hintabia o see the two so soon nino a hintabia tena twedi ampon nyina se mesi rade se me dwan kobia ne ma bankese me nyankopon a me de me ho meto woso na ono na obejew afri ofidisumfo fidim na owuyade nsayemu ne owuyade nsayemu thank you ode ne ntaban bekata woso na ne ntaban ase na obekọ akọhye enchem ne nkatabo ne nokre Uri suro anajo bumbo. Ebema etunam ewia. Eyare dom a enenam esum. Yemi hu ye ni bi. Yare dom enenam sumu menya. Ose insane yade a esane ade ewia kete. Apem tuto unchen na opidu tuto unifa. Wodie erenkan wani nku na wodi behwe na wohunu aboniefo akatua na wo Awurade ne me dwan kobia osrusu ni no na wodi no aye wo tenabia boni renkan sister what boni renkan na ohwe ore men wo ntumadan na wo hye na bofo ema won se won hwe wo so wakwan nyinamu obeso wo wonsem na onan empem obo wo benanti ajata ne ehuritia so wo betitia jataburuwa ne atwiase so na se ufam me hui oh wante na se ufam me hui sister what yana was na se ufam me hui na se ufam me hui mejino ne odabi was na se ufam me hui mejino mema no so efri se onimidin osufra me na mejino so meneno betena ahohiemu meyino abetena oside meneno betena ahohiemu meyino na mahye no animonyam mema nidi osi mema no edi enkwa tenene amen na mama nehunu menkwaje hallelujah omo musuru wurade no wa won di nsema wakeka kire we nsemu e koma wana wusu nyankopon wana wubu wurade fere no wana wogitum sampa onyankopon tiase na wono na esa bebe bi ma bebu awufo ne atiase forte danko. Ona wo chinity. Sa for no ne koma. Ni bo bebre na won Misrim. Nso ye chisu nkofo bi se, momfa moja nka mo kwan no. Na ade esa na wo sunsun twam ma ho. Wana woni mo wurade no, wa ma ya hyenso. Na wo sunsun nsaya de na ma wi akete, emma yenso, emma yentomadan. Wasistan se ye nim ni dinti obeje. So what you say? No be a sakwa. Onyami utumi ukutanse muoden ni abase muoden so obeje ne ma afi wo ma hu yiyem. Wasin slow e ba metu na mawi ensan ya de na mawi akete. Are me won to madan brother sister. Are me won to madan. What are you crying? Me see when come at the say control of the Christians. Sa sem we come di for true no much di for. A come true Christians. He showed me in my dream. I told you. Bible na come say I won't lie. This is saying that here, menim say na ye, me kromu mienu say. And I said to me, tum say me dukui. Be bread say once na fun bibi ho, no monam na me kromu say, na woman him say na me didi America. Ba kokura to me come ho. Me kuta asam no because was so oba, was bibi abetwem, watro din bi obi and wunyankopon asam. I hold them to the word. Assembly dim anymore. Nikom, Sandy do with him. You amparase. We are do manko me. You amparase. We are do manko me. We are do manko me. Okay, you a different if you buy me. E didi mu ye nanti mu ye kasa yem o boye ho ban o protect ye different if by mu ye da ye so mu o mu degu ye so anu nya me de yesie ye nyankopon e ya odi ye nkosie ansana wa ye betre so odi ye nkosia odi tili so the enkosia ode intasamadi chire ni o ye ko mano udi ye di mano ono na onimni oriye misiye nyankopono eya odi enkosie ansana we ye betre oh so the enkosia odi tini so the enkosia Ode intasemu chire ni o ye ko mano udi ye di mano ono na oni ni oriye. Meet you good morning America. Na mti say doctor na katra o say smoke omunyai omu smoke nyai. Nti si akanya mi asem se onyame se jai smoke na so unyaya. Coronavirus nti you will stop smoking. Because of coronavirus, you will stop drinking alcohol. You see? When you make shaky ground, so nipa be a non tiasi. You teach you nyami much a fan in your shade. Nipa moon yame one fan in your shade. You refuse, say a TFE, you cheer light base. Make us say a light to see me, you cheer light bay. One cheer between. What you say? Nti imagine so papa ya my mframa. And what did meet at home? And what my sister me no me ke be ko bankrupt. Ki be wu abra ye tam so ye because ki ntimi ntua. Na wo she papa ya otefso. Na bibia ye de ye ho asase so ye tua ho ka. Na mframa sombo. Na moja it flow in your veins. Every day. Akuma se ne boy ni kri and stop. Non-stop. Papa, where you see Muno? Papa, where you see a funny number getting a deny a swine. no ani obi ma wo ba bi dae se de wo kutukutu no ani nyina no se wo ye bibia obi nya nanim adom emi busa wa ne bia de o ma mframa no so wo de na gina he de wo ma mo je di wo fusa ne no ehin na wo de na gina ni pasodi da Yesu beba bia obebusa asem ba ko pe akuya safo wo se yes master wo se gina ha ade bone na maya wo anti ko asase so wansom awrade me onya me bone bia na afa ba ne se na wansom awrade se wa wonim se base na me gu ho no so na obusa se me pacho ane bia mframa me de ma na me je wo se boso me bia na me je wo se moja na ne di mo fusane no mi busa o adwuma yitimi yi wodi ma akopɛ foforo me bɔ ba wo mframa no stop o yitimi konya ba bia fam ma nyu sempo ne kapre so wafuma nya hwi asenia miensa ene si cavalry asenia ne miensa ye woni pa bi omugina awudifo side ye woni pa bi gina kromfo side ene binum so gina mfimfi wo Yesu Kristo ni ase ho pe enti asenia miensa ne si cavalry de ahia se na gina me no wa ka me gina mfimfi o because de e ba yeso na no so ebinum ye wo mu se wo mu kwa sori ba ye mu yehudifo ebinum ye wo mu so wo mu kwa sori ba asenia ne de wo mu gina se ne yehudie de no ebi susu de wo mu gina se ne ye kromfo de na ebi susu gina mfimfi wo pe agenkon de no enti ni bono awu mu gu asori de mo no cross no ade asenia ne ye tre e wo bebi obi agina adifo no e wo bebi obi agina udifo no ebia no gina wudini no ne cross ase no gina so what you say sanity ebia na usofo no kromfo no na semia na se ho no gina ba ye nyankopon ne de ye gina mfimfi wo pe mfimfi wo e ho pe e ho ne gina enti ni pa ne mu achamiensa bi ya kromfo bi ye wudifo ine bi ni musu follow ajenkwan mabo bebre onyame a wabo ni wiase etimi kase ye preach kura wa bonten emmonyame din arabu foi yes what send it and say what meli will be bible kura inya ye be sand wakotum so what you say the bia wo kan commissioning Muhammad nso won hye nkomo da mesinkramofo mu fie omuntumi mponte na Muhammad hye nkomo somasi no way ye bia bible no ma Yesu Kristo de bubuja owu Yesu o sorry wo koso wanye ni secret no bia ka se o kosi em se o waga drink wanye ni secret wa ko fo ne ba wo se we na mo hwe suri Yesu ye wafa mu nchen ko se de mu husu wo ko sa no be sane ye hu se Muhammad tu ko e fom ha nti de bia bako na kremoni ya Allah akbar ni nyina ne se ni nyame wo fom wo hwehwe no ye de na de wo tuo wo te ejan se ni faso ene wo di mai nti sai nyame so wo be tira se no keka ne ho nsam boni bia anoto na me ho tutume na me mfemu ya me ya kobeka kore SSA na wo kaba na wo ye chifa nkofo so kwa me bi wu wo mo be wie di wo mo be ye no na nipa ne bi ewu ebi wo mo ntumi ka gese wo mo han nkofo me ye di wo mo si akonkon e di wo mo twa ho hia ni nyina ne se wo kotafre kaba okoye yes onya tachi ne se onya baso bia no wadane why me should news from say because I'm say yes. Who say God no day? When you may or do ye pebre. What will be to mama careful and see the whole world careful. Careful be see the whole world. Obi nkon obi ma akwa bi okan eche and they say ne fiura emma. O se bosom ya so yentua neka. So what you say? Akwa sorry here. Obi gina gate na. Ose ndadi obiara on fita on obiara so nshiga. Obiara on fita no obiara nshiga. Bosumi ni yetue meka o. Enti ndadi obiara on fita no obiara so nshiga. Nyame o na odi sa adwuma no. Obi be preach ka cho se nko ho a obeka se obe twese kan. Na ka cheka. Duru waka kaji. Na ka Onyame ma careful yesi. You see, it's unbelievable. Me even see that. The be omu picture na nipa esenkrane even see that. And the wa moto. Yes. Jesus Christ, ahini mu hini no. Ewure no wurade no. Lion of Judah, oni ne disa adwuma no. Yes. We light one. Na ekoso say no. Say we nye hu. Die hu pa die chireba. One after the other, oye adwuma kọ nanim, omfa nkọ n'echi. So what you say? Nipa bi bedwane wo nam rubu. Obi ntu wo mfo, omo abetu, omo acheke de ekoso no a. Tiri ye a no nyame ehummo. Nti me hwese Christopher bi de sa nyame kokroko yi. Nyame wo yi a wono nko, ye woni mu awrishemu a wo man kwan yi. E de ni di agoro. Etna sori dem ye de wo pa ya na wo ho ye mopo sister. Ya na me busa. So bi be na na do tutu. E busu be mu na ofiri sa no. Ti Christo ni papa bia oba Christo ma ya na oboda mama radio. Ya na wa something which is there. What you say? Sankof ya na wa ye uti hwa na check na nsi because when they see the protection of God and then continue ready the free through bedroom no no wa boda mama papa no can't you unity ebraso so biaja you kutem no den ho mewrade. We are living in a dangerous time. This is a warning shot. It is a be a cromfo ball fear no mashas it to us 10. It's just a for baby for tico fat culture. Run for your life. It's you not just to no 10. Bibi Betsy. Nanyame wa your dog or masse. Before we be shiki guns would the cambocco. Last me wa na Las Vegas. Nkofobi ko e dey say rockstar for party at say enyasem ketwa na evangelist bi gina ho e da na se nyame na din ko de and wo preachie o mo mabu idru ho no ma no mo didi na tem keka bi a kire no gina ho o mo fafa shut up, get the fuck out of here. What are you talking about? Shut the fuck up. Hey sir, what are you talking about? To be a bonitisi for say wo ko they don't know. O mo ko ho no man check. 20 minutes or 30 minutes so na kwabra ni bigina hotel so na 10 o kumni pan half. But before branch ni bigina ho na bi unyame na kasa say go there warn them because me nye bibi. I just said ma boni pa kokwansa. Go there, speak to them. Your was so biti no ntie enu bi na me bo kwan yi hu. You don't know tomorrow, and that's why I'm here saying give your life to Christ. Run for your life before it's too late. And some people think I'm crazy. From yesterday midnight, Miss Minubia Mederia, Macasa Mederia. From an opana yesori kokroko, ebesi sabra me no kase napa I been come meniso. There be a many energy me a radia. What do you say? Yet you go ready so. Some people need second chance. You're still ready, so we'll have mercy on some people. Can we me say you come almost sano? Mudu amochehodo. No make us yeah, Colonel will be Jehovah preach. Now you too late. Sakia Momo choir in concert in Comunco, come shut. Evangelist no mo hia no mo tie nsem a woka ba nam se no mo nimunti umuko enu nyame ase no se ko se de be ya wokuduru ha wonni anu yie obeka chew say don't speak like this, my dear. Don't speak like this. I sent someone to warn you. Remember when you on your way to the concert, I I sent a guy no chap picture and say na kwa ni kuta the Bible no preach no chap the odi na tem no ono kra de na sam ye dio you go to get the fuck out of here. What are you talking about? Get the fuck what the fuck? They will wish secondly we must stop with JBBM. Ebi they will be na me. You don't know tomorrow. So when I sit here, I say, my brother, my sister, Jesus Christ loves you. Or things you want every day, every night. He cries because he doesn't want you to perish. Or so the boy fool and you fair. And until you want me to you, I'm going to come back to your sister. Me die life for him. Me who ye enemy no fu ni me sire mu eh. Na kama betena. We gi setieni. Na kama betena ya dai. Onyame do ntia. No so wonim me ko yi atete kwa bia ba o mbeka sa girl wo fire kurase ntia. Ma me ni prema ni ti sa wo mo a. Na me fa no metena kwa yo no mu sa I mean business. Sister, enye bibi enti no onyame ni message how. He loves you. When you mammy no to one here because unyame ya wagadreg nti within you and the was you will be no better nti e no kra ye futu e no kra chese e no kra ye surrender just sit back and ask yourself, how did this happen? It's because of you. He brought me here because of you. He wants you to change. He's calling. Jesus Christ is calling. He's knocking the door. Open. Everybody me ababa wa. See me city the me die life for him. No so be you be at sawa. You are not so not to sawa. One chira we chiri. Kaka mo montem. No what sharp. Tete no picture no dia chiro. No what trap this time. No na what dia kwadwu you busa ne ba ne say. Ni dia ba ye ne say. Onyame odontia okofu bia ba obeka chance abrochi life wonim emso woni sikanti no wojim nti oso woyibe so what you say abna men kan to me hu menyamobo menya fe na mekopo bi lala su menyamobo say mobro binti na menni bibia medinti na mte aka ne ka onyame menyamobo ba adombi in the free so. Have me free him too. Mama warrior me buy into me yamobo. And you would me see me free bimu too. Me papa ne car or toy me who ye VW. And no so crowd or bar. Or fitico tiano or bar. Ne sound no tell no. Why hear your bar that will be young. And only VW in a bicycle. And them whom some papato. And if you no cross see him, we see baku enye. And on the man cry dorsal until you cry no shed and me a what I say. Hey, until you shed and coy to go on your dadaba. On away papa, till the papa and mammy back and see hey. Until Yama warrior and Yamina warrior soon up in them and Nimka crack and yo. Can ya? My warrior intimidable. Who say yes, so your mammy, barman, papa for money, yes, so ye jack. Until I mammy and papa ban my say, no, you come down. I'm going to use you to set some people free. Omo ye jet sawa, ye jeleges. Me no better not cry home. I'm no wakasa. Sanet yo. Mr. Loveless inti amam for kwa mikobio menyamobo o fra me party na mama na me mpese bia metena fedi fortina bia nya tade a meni amehyentia wonya me do wonti na metia minu anu mo bia nkwa abrochiri as a matter of fact me papa mamu me ne sister ba ko pe ono so Australia ye bi nu pe me mama me nko na metuko si kani ho ehiem tuo me nada so what you say na me be draw buchi na me kunti na be prema ni No, let me say. When I'm chat will be BJ Joe. With the no masses in the whole account. Who quite am chaba who no masses in the whole account. Tia was so or touch me say. I'm some wigging. I can see a name of hand time. And in your mouth, now bring me dressing up me back. Me need if you say how. Me need the wind say me could so I a guy who didn't tell me come on. So we'll be in the diamond watch. What you say? On Cassa, no stress, Kaka to say yes. He job. Crossing too, and what polish myself. Unyamia Domarakwa. No, say, hey, I have a job for you. Go sit there and speak to my people. Uncle Fu be free baby for from her. So what you say? Obe fe be free here. Me no one ne body mo me boa. Nti nya mama, we cry I am shishia. We cry your foot. We cry to say God loves you. Ni me je bibie. Me ka be hu sama na ka be a Saturday anyway. Ye ko party ase. Eno na ma me na sleepless night. We so the man not because of prayers. Bo se ma shata dia bia. Me ko party ase o. Ndabia to already. And I just bring me to car all night. Team go ready so. Me te say wow, obi church na wo. Obi ka say bra. Was it day? You say you did not hear my word. And I didn't say the way they do the things, you know, and the way they carry themselves, we can't even take them serious. Or say I chose that lady, Mamiana Twa. She's just like you. What to say? Wow. Said you see I would die no per life. Sana Baba wanna tear. No me pray no so metness be or don't you kasa ubeti. Still our man move musa ho say na ye day. A day. Sister Abraham, you me want him, you know. Me say me half naked that you can watch me 2 times so. Nijiga me na me ase me go Chicago. And mama who fit here no my ma Chicago. I stop everything. Tina last na me catch bloggers. Me see Coco Christo Obama Coco eja hini you. Na brother say me say you half naked but na say mama no din. Na 10K at a time. But unyame, he's using me to speak to you. I wonder why you're so stubborn. But one she what the baby busa was sem. Or the baby busa was sem. Or baby some question. And I want to be young so da. What do you say? Today catch you need to force a journey. Joe Cranko. We are living in a dangerous time. And then me to imagine in your Bible. And the Bible and this year preaching. Imagining in a name flow be. It will be crammed from me. And I'm no my friend of I generally occupy. So first it can test her. So what you say? First will be my friend me can last be. Akwabi will preach or some can listen. Me picture photo lady be so me I mean mabia no to one dey no ntisa I don't know ebia ayi hunhun bi na yi no ho di akere no one dey only di nkoma ye fashion o one dey fashionista one dey fashion ko a one dey di nkoma dey fashion there na ye nim all of a sudden afedi o se wo preach ye nim sa hunhun bi na yi no ho and they were mocking me. So what you say? I'm pass first, me no kokromo area okunbeja. The way our shop no. You ubejane. You can't compete. When I want to have me copy Jim skirt keke. Say the many years yaje. Jim skirt keke. Makonya Jim skirt. Me jina hotel team ze obi a ese. O unhu ade da. Na me baseball me nimu. Me kunu nya cancer onu nya ticket no. Yenko baseball. Na hwe abena me ho a me di ko baseball no. Na nasa last akwa bi frɛ me ma me ba ni tumi ka koka kire ne papa. Ye nyina ye nam ne yakɔ. Ya to santene ye ko baseball. Na akwa bi tumi ka no oba. Hey, can I get your number? Wow, you look so cute. What's your name again? Can I get your number? I feel Vince a hand and he say, me bano. No dia shake cola, dimika, e come be me kunu pakeno. Daddy, come here. There's a guy talking to mom. Look over there. I'm banning your soldier. What's your say? That big one with the baby crown of energy. So never done water. A coon me for so young and your man and your common. Me could transfer baseball in the moon once a minute, monsieur. Oh, but yeah, I'm somebody say, me could be somebody now, Miss or me didn't tell me, didn't behind my religion, said, me to surround me chef from her. Cacacas and the whole Russia name me the anointing them tear, and it's a medidi. That's it. And it's a me chat, me teacher pictures. That's it. That's why I'm here. Timina bo omo you know, woman you know, so me shake it to one be, some you know go on. Na me nyasha na ye twitwa ni mu no me ntiga yo asase ba me nchele kura me pa ba ko bia na me shekura wo hipa ebe han kam tam kyerɛ na me gina so na me kwa asa sneakers asa nya sneakers ne tot sneakers na tot ntei nti obi hu me obe okeke na wo na me yi me free we nyine wo no de mo sister eyi bi wunti o enyo Unyamsiradi umusa papa nani umusa nzidinti sister ya wunti o umusa said you high level o guy o can say guy level o said you guy level sitia so one fool bit some amia to you would never listen because o guy level no high a temple you dia and to just so fool bit some amia to no clear tram wati Mubi sumu usika, mubi ho fe, mubi akotli akode, bibia you name it, you have it. Mubi mukamu air condition, eche Russia o. Mubi mumu masoga mo ba, ye chamu pusei. Osi mamini girl bi sei, brati mamini girl bi sei, e mabawa mamini girl bi sei. Nti wonyame wonyana de kwa. Please, he loves you. When you say wusika yes, when you say yes, we didn't bring high level no a standard na wachini when him say. But he wants you to humble yourself to him. Just open the ears for him. He wants to save your soul. So what you say? Hey, we grab a cigar level door from the to be answer to say. It's a guy level there. Nina, I want to show you, say you can follow with your money, with your fame, with your wahunya dear, everything. You can still serve God. Yes. Your uncle Phobia will say here for the Suminyame enter sao. And you woman could tell you. Will be born in the wanted. Was one will be tied in for years or was it someone in him? Into what might be a woman who feels so when you know, and you could only move to see Canada. And dinner papa away. Every time I say, Pussy can't pay him. Never I get padia. Now who banking me so also and there's an enormous sister in the whole yakano. It's not like that. Inner peace when you're in a demon. When you're peace of mind. When you're in a shade. When you have attack in your son. nso ni Kristo ma de bia challenge we aka we a kire me we ka be ho asem e du party na se wa hu de sister ne ye no ho na we mote gang de bia wo ni asomdue sister me bo a abra me wasomdue Kristo nti me wasomdue me no obi ani asem me kunu bia me ye mo nhye me mfa ho enyama sem oba obe check me kunu free sra be see for be found my mindset no any from how nia me sorry me nyabia me timba bi me nyabia dirty change e como so ne me da so what yes e como ne me da sister wonya me be hwe wonya wo wate cruise bi ama usuro Kristo sum de ukoma sister ke be ya tobo se de wo ye young ide obo o opese wu da akohye hwe wajim ko na adabi. And I speak to all the bloggers. Monsha no man kasa manka. Mo bi mutie mi sie. Se wontia se bia me kan. Na wo de kokko asem sa na da kokko ju to a. No, abana ma wo men sasi afiri moja because mo hwe me. Mo hwe mi sie. Mo hwe mi sie. Be wise. Hey, o me you do. Obey mo boss. E ba ka obi anka wan hwe yi obi beto ogalaga mo akoda dem. Because the nipre no doso. Be wise. Run to Christ. Sheye. Mama mo nyamu yodium. Na sister we dey jayo. Sister we dey Satan abun some fofa. Na ye osano. They want you to lose your soul. Abun some fofa. O me yodium sa no wa yira koyi. Nti ye nitefo te sami o ne dwane. Ne ready nya samu nya no ye. Me nada. Bloggers ni nyira. Me nada mo Facebook. Mu nya no ye mu boa. Ontimi kan chansa wonni mame no to onti ne da. Onni me uboa wa heda. You just want to ignore Christ. But na me bo kokko. So we bre wani ase. No what you they don't even tell me. Who they also sorry for Bible. Ko nyankopon anim confess your sin. For Jesus Christ for me you wura na waje nkom. No na wo bibi papa bi de ma wo. Ewi ase ne de wutumi ye ne bo ho abaso. E tena wutumi provide bi ma they don't care. You fly yen kai obiom. And the bia so people go, people come. Let me tell you that. E be ya kakra hwie be 3 years na ni so biom no bi fofra papo up ni refuse. Until now, be wise. Be truthful. Obenya safo ibuni be yen kana semo. Me kame chero me nada. So one chi na we lusu so a obey mo bose. Ya won hye bi tag wo mo. Mo fa bi koma wo mo no mo susu mo ya Abraham asefo ni bia. Wo munya nko eye. Erade do wo mo won ta wo mo. Sit down, my brother, my sister. Sit down, listen. Sit down. Ask yourself, as I see Sukrame Wahame Yede. When you saw my inferior so Sukrame Diochi. Me who be a so who I would defame this Ikani Japadiako. Metias Asisu me yet, a radical mobile. Tio! The congo to get in the Union in Cassan Wash show. Na Satan dear on Fanadi and Chakwa. Last minute. Now they gather you radio for you. Obi baswa yesi we two obi edro. Obi baswa yesi obi ama na nie fra. Obi baswa yesi aye di say. Wo bite mo hu. Asumdie ni mo. Onya continue radio no so. I wonder. Na wan fa wutina nkosha abosoma se ne malamfo. Anko pepe bibia. They get you. Nti ama wo mu bebere wo mu ni ahoto. Basi wo hyehyɛ Yesu Kristo a ka benya sumdua makra. enkoa shaka shafa from ko e bin sebegu ona sene o. You don't have protection from God. You should not know. So we're journeying toward Jesus Christ. You should not know. Me nada. Mpempenso he do so nyane antwa Christ anyame o. Because the chasi can be a yeka. Ofa esi nyame asa ofa esi nti wo ye wadwe se wantia. We didn't do the commentary, Bossia couldn't did a diachaba, soon a bit, or Bowana was soon the Honsra Banshia. O slow at the ferno, or be slow at the way the radipe. Or be already radipe, be a slow at the intimacy and neck and Sunday Zion. And Sunday Zion. No, I'm a wig. No, do quick come the other day. I meet me pum wig, it is a dear ye pimpa, dear, me mumber. Me to me musha me dem wa me ko to wigi me mabe no afrati twitwa pam yatete atata nti se me pie na me ba me wigi na de ban no nya bi no wato ni nyina ne se me keka bom anu mabe tena se afa apaso me twitwa na mapempam me twitwa because me adwuma no ti me nya de butu mi tia me se traffic light ase obi roll the glass say ya no catch me wow is she your wife? Oh, she's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. Me come to me see Chicago downtown. Donald Trump the hotel. You could do Derrick Rose no basketball Chicago. Me wigi kakraka echi Derrick Rose dina ho say anti system. Emma wo frame me cruise so what echi. O pesa Derrick Rose bon ho mpem obi e ka me yesiu no. Nso me yema me ne papa ba. Sitama me guy level no ko nanim. Enti me fiti kotia ano to wigi uto ne he ma chero stock ro ba me de no ma twitwa pempam. Enti no the way mine look like you know unhu bi sa na me nka ncho se me twitwa pempam waka se pam bi mam because I want to be numero 1. Say di na no nya me tietie no ose. What did you know? I'm not ready to be more. And that's what I call away pa. January, ya did bring a new year, Madam Baby. Next region, what? Yes, baby. Aye! Assume the 3. Be sorry, you ever cast a mako 100 meters. Me hope me say pretty. The first time me saw camera making a measure for serious one. Then you come. And one say who need your free medicine was at the boom. One. Hey, at the assembly. Shaking me baby on of me say yes. Me telling the yes I want proud because we will be proud. Obu okwa bia wo de ka nam ne bom ne bibia to no bugu dem afa do wa bafo mitiri na ye o so wa mpra me ka be dem kwasto akọ party ba fie na nka because tiri bia me ni me kunu net me fire ni o ba ko di o si I wodo nyame nko o mada see a night the whole night die tena ka ni kunkum nyame na hu me bobo ko bu me yaso di ko akira can so bu me them because that's the only thing he can use to humble me but one nyame sa eni mo nyam kan din enya so di yo no one fa nda de poma na shooting be wise me say we are some one yosa unhu bobo unso on sane unfri chichirim ade bia ne ho den se wa ehyew san ma wontumi nko wadim e ma wontumi nya de wo pesa wo ye wo Kristo so mu onyame sane on release you from prison when you free fear bosom sem busia sasa nkonya tumi e di nipa so hye nipa so onyo on sane wo in free ne de wo na Yesu mo de wo Yesu mo de asase ye nam sui nye komo sa osu ti obi kura woni ani unamu adamu sa oti ase obi ehia wa no slap ubi ni ye osa ankura bibi dem krom 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 no yesu krom 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 bobo mistringa miso Jesus Christ me that was me show ni bunyam ene day so so mama konya mama wando doso bebre ama me ne metiefo na wonda bi mu akansament se erade hu ye mobo na ma yakoma ye bitu ndi age wasemi nye nyasemi tiefo wi fufu ensisi ye boy ni ntimi fasemi enya djuma nyi nyane ntoa na upie wani munyam ya nya yiraba hu ye mobo ma ye kranjira mi musa de boyefo mi musa tenefo chiri di wo kon manu ne hu ye mobo kaye na upie wani munyam ene wakodi da ensanda ye pese bo sha wo sha wo John 14 ye pese yesuso ye benefit wo se me ma yakoma ntutu ye nyi onyankopon ni ye nyi wo su Jesu Kristo eni na tena me pi e wo wogya fie nyi sanka wo kasa wo kosiesie ba bia maye le se wo kono kosiesie ba bia wo besan ba na wo ba be faye bo hye kakrakai ye mpese bone e be twe ye firi hu erade hu ye mobo ni ntimi ne wo nko enkodi sa de bi ye da wo sese wo di nkonim wadom no nti amen ona fu nsuro onyame ka ho Yesu ka ho odi wani odi wachi Yesu ka ho coronavirus ni wa bebrese sasasia ni dani butu bipo tutu kogupu mpa ensuro oka ho da Yesu ka ho ate mono tia we so kakra sanchani na kopon enyu mo bomai e beti yes o sister Bonnie enko ye twen ina kopon kokom pai foi erade ma hu meneso erade ma hu meneso ya kafu hu se wo na me a otiase yes ensuro die ekoso nsaya de etunam nsuro nyame ka ho ate o se sanse woni ni di nti obeje sanse wo fam de wi oh sister ni ma sama be kai hey sanjani bibi pai oye jo da me unse uyo nyame otiase sanjani Isapaya, Iboyejo. don't know what you don't know. Yesu ka ho moninye imba. Bo nyumba kwa ka ho. Bo ba kwa mo diasa. Nzana wako. Bishia no ye. Hey sister yesi o say hey. Mo fa mo class sam ni nyina yi. So nyame oti ase a o se. Munya motete sam. Me limiti mi nyankopon kra. Me nya madwe semiti. Eni bia bria o se. Penyu bia boamo. O menyu mote ya che. Eni mote. to a wise is enough. I love you guys so much, including Reverend Obofo. I love you, say. Mapo, when you mean show bibi ha, now you're the kesi. You ever say she be, you remember me quiet. Why? I love you guys. God bless you for watching. Thank you.